I'll show you exactly what's going on with the Robinhood stock. Now, when it comes down to it, there was a very nice harmonic pattern that is still in play, in my opinion. And you might be wondering what this box is here. And we'll talk about that in just a second. But chartforecaster.com is saying that we could be on the lookout for a potential point in time where we see bullish or bearish momentum start building around February 5th at about 1300 hours UTC time. Now, if you're not familiar with chartforecaster.com, I'll be giving away a 3-day free trial, free 3-day trial, no credit card needed. And this is a software that allows you to basically look into the future 9 days in advance. It's predicting these points and times 9 days in advance to really make awesome predictions like this, where guess what? 9 days in advance, it said watch for the bullish or bearish momentum to start building. Now, if you're in a trade here and you're going long or whatever, this would be a good thing to know about, right? Same with this volatility spike, pause, breakout. We know that this is the area of peak momentum or a reversal area. What happened? Price dropped off, right? Here's another good market low, market high reversal. Here it said, guess what? The bullish or bearish momentum is going to start building. It did. Another volatility spike, breakout, breakdown. And you guys can see how well this does. So you'll get 3 days free to test it out. And it's $9.99 a month. And there's also a promotion going on right now where it's 50% off your first month on a 3-month subscription. So it's like $25 for 3 months. So what is it saying? February 5th, 1300 hours on the Robinhood chart. Now let's just move this down to like a 1 hour chart. And I'm also going to break down why I think that we're going to see price maybe rip down to this $72-ish level. But first and foremost, February 5th, 1300 hours, we'll get this marker on here. This is when we think we could be gearing up to see that bullish or bearish momentum start building. And then on the, what was it, the 9th? Oh, yes, 9th at 1300. So 9th at 1300, which is shortly after, or 1300, which is pretty much right at the market open on Monday, is when it's saying that, guess what? We're going to watch for volatility spikes, pauses, and breakouts, things like that. Now, of course, they're dumping this thing going into the earnings. And I think a lot of the reasons here are simple. At the end of the day, Robinhood relies heavily on crypto trading for revenue and earnings and things like that. The markets in crypto have been absolutely terrible lately. And at the end of the day, really, there's not a whole lot of trading going on. So you can see that there's this valid harmonic pattern on the charts that I do think is impacting price action. In addition, there is a very nice head and shoulders pattern that formed. So this has been a multi-month, almost a 9-month long head and shoulders pattern that played out. Now, one way that traders will oftentimes measure the impact of a head and shoulders pattern or a cup and handle is that they measure from the top of the head to the neckline, or if this was an inverse head and shoulders, they'd measure from the bottom of the head up to the neckline. So you can see that when you place that measurement on the depths of the right shoulder, you can see that at the minimum, traders would probably expect this thing to maybe rip down to about 90. Now, at a maximum position, you could expect price to maybe rip the full length from the headline down at the worst. So I think right now Robinhood is in this range where we could see that reversal happen. But to be honest with you, I wouldn't be surprised if we saw another 19% retracement from here. And when we look at the price action, I feel like the price right now, for the time being, is getting a little too far away from this Ichimoku cloud and this 200 moving average. So chartforecaster.com is warning us of that bullish or bearish momentum to start building on the 5th, and volatility spikes, pauses, and breakouts on Monday's open on the 9th. So it'll be interesting to see. I'm going to be looking at where Robinhood is come Friday, and I may make a decision to enter a trade on Monday, depending what the price action is confirming. Here is your free trial. This is for 3 days. You'll get full-blown access to chartforecaster.com. We got lots of news. We got economic calendars, so you can go in and check out everything that's happening, everything that's coming up. Right now, the United States is in for a bunch of stuff. We've got stock screeners, forex screeners, crypto screeners, links to insider trading, a nice little chat room here. But with that said, guys, this is a fun application. Works with stocks, lots of them. Gold, silver, crypto, we've got a lot of them. But check it out, sign up, and enter this at the sign up screen. Free trial 3, no credit cards needed. And if you decide to sign up and get a membership, there's a 50% off that 3-month package. I think it's like $25 for 3 months. So we'll see you guys on the next video, and peace.